Hey, what's up guys, it's 3:30 and I have an appointment at Maaco paint shop at 4 o'clock. So I'm getting a new spoiler painted. I'm not gonna let you guys know just yet what the spoiler is, but I have discussed it in previous videos, so you guys can go in the comments and take a guess at what it is. So I'm gonna be removing the duckbill spoiler just because the duckbill is nice, but I feel like my car is really aggressive and I want something bigger, just to go with the aggressive style of my car. So I'm not exactly sure when it's going to be coming from the paint shop, but I just got going to an appointment today just to get it appraised, see how much the paint's going to cost. It shouldn't be that much. I know Maaco paint jobs aren't really that expensive, so it shouldn't be. I'm guessing probably like 50 to 100.
Without left and alone.
Alright guys, I just got to Maaco. I'm about to head in right now just to go talk to them and see how much everything's gonna cost. So I'll let you guys know what happens when I come back. I'm gonna leave the camera in the car. I'm not very comfortable like taking out in public and like putting in people's faces and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna leave you guys here in the car, but I'll let you guys know what happens when I come back. I just realized I've been shooting on narrow view, so you guys have been like really close to my face. Apologize for that. I don't want you guys any closer to my face than this. Maaco, they appraised me $188. Not bad. A little over the price that what I wanted, but I know that it's gonna be a really good job, and I know it's like one of the cheapest paint jobs you can get. So I'm just really excited. They said they're gonna get it back to me on Wednesday or Thursday, so we'll be having another video then. As you can see, it's an ugly day here in Orlando, but on the bright side, I'm gonna get my spoiler today. Paint shop told me that it was gonna be done on Wednesday or Thursday, but I guess it took longer than expected, so now we're going on Saturday. So we're going today to go pick up the spoiler, and I can't wait to show you guys, can't wait to see it, and I'm just really excited. Alright guys, so there it is, the new Evo 10 spoiler. It's really nice. It's gonna look so good on my car. It's just so big and nice, and it's gonna go with all the aggressiveness of my car, just add on to it. So I'm like super excited for this. Not gonna do it today. It's like really bad weather today, and I really don't want to be doing that. I really want to wash my car before I start drilling the holes in it and make the whole thing look nice. That way I can like show you guys and it can all be perfect. I'm gonna be doing a video later on about the quality of the work of the paint job on the spoiler, because I know that Maaco doesn't have a good reputation. So I wanted to make sure that you guys know, if you guys want to run this route and go to a Maaco paint shop, is because it's so cheap, and I want to make sure that you guys know that what you're gonna get is a good deal. So in about a month or so I'll do a video on that to make sure that's all right. Maybe another one in a year, just to make sure that you guys know that this spoiler was painted correctly, and that if you guys get it done yourself, that you're gonna get the same quality work as I did. See ya.
I'm with the gang, and we bout to go up. Switching lanes, it's a thing every time we show up. You a lame, and you so below us. Bet your hoe she know us, cause you know we glow